What's up, guys? It's Crazy Crafter Prime. Today, this was actually a request by my choir teacher, so as you can see I've got Audacity opened, and today I'm going to make a tutorial on how I edit my soundtracks. Let's say, for example, we wanted to change, let's say, Transformers Headmaster's soundtrack, and you wanted to change the pitch. Well, I go over to Effect and I click Change Pitch, since I want it to sound like it's in the note of, since I want it to be in the note of G, or sound like it's playing in the key of D, D major, then I would change it by 2 if it's not already on the number 2 semitones half steps. So that's how I would do that. Now click OK. And then the best way to undo that, if you want its speed to be changed, you can easily hit Control Z and undo it. Then go to Effects and change speed. Let's say you wanted it to be like super fast. Like you want it to be like twice as fast. Well, what you do is you type in 12, and then to the right of the decimal you put a 5, and then you hit OK, and we'll see how it sounds. And it comes down a little bit. And I know only that much, although I should have sang the part where it's like Transform Headmasters, but that's not important right now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just basics on how you change speed and pitch in Audacity, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to hit that like button, and if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe. Without further ado, this is Crazy Crafter Prime, and I'm signing off. See y'all in the next video.